Hey, I'm Zaman, this is Best Hombre, and today we're putting OEM crossbars on this.
What we do here is go back.
With just a little bit of detergent and a rag. You don't want any dirt in between where the feet are going to be sitting. Let's just take a look at this, right? So you have the crossbar, and if you look at the underside of the crossbar, there should be a sticker that tells you this one is rear left. The sticker should always be on the driver's side. So when we're putting this sticker, it's going to be the rear left. So this is the rear crossbar, and the sticker goes on the left side. Always keep that in mind. So if you're looking at it, it has a little channel for attaching things, and we're going to put the rubber strip in for now. But it actually has a self-torquing lock here. So when you're putting it on, you're going to screw it down, and then it clicks. When the plastic, should you not have the sticker on the plastic, it says here right, and here left, driver's side. First bar kind of here, right on top of this line of sight, and then the second bar actually goes right here. So I'm going to give you a closer look at what's going on here. First thing we're going to do is unlock the cover, and you're going to see that this is the turning knob. You might need to loosen it up a little bit, and then you want this to come over the lip here, which is why it's important you want to clean under here real good. Get that under there, and then you also want to make sure you're lined up well. The other side. And tighten. There it is. What was that? Broke something. That's it. Make sure you have room for this to close, because if it's not all the way, great. Well, hopefully now you know. Now you know. If you look closely, it's nicely snuggled under that ridge. That's what holds it in. So you gotta make sure it's on there well. You gotta make sure it's flush with the other side. You're looking straight. You can see it, both sides, and it's right over this center section here. So last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna be installing these rubber air channels. Now these do provide some airflow coordination. There's two of them in the kit. Both of them have the same part number, so I'm assuming they're interchangeable. You do need to open the side pieces in order to get them on, and I'll show you how that works. Open this and pull it down. They'll expose the channel. So looking at this, all right, I'm gonna open it. So it closes nicely. I have it hanging over about that much on each side, and now it closes nicely. Remember to keep this somewhat level so it doesn't block the wire from coming down. There's that wire there, and then it should close up no problem. And that's it. And this is my these are crash tested, so whatever that means. They put that sticker, City Crash Plus. Tell me what that means if you know. And what's other interesting thing is that my front bars came with these little dimples underneath. They're glued on, and they're just like little sticker ridges. So hopefully that helps keep the noise down. We got them on. And first order of business is to go get a ladder tall enough to get up there, clean out some gutters. So we'll go for a drive, see what it sounds like. Eventually I'm gonna get a fairing for the front to kind of help the wind go over the bars. But we'll see, maybe I don't hate it as much. So we're on the road, highway speed 65 here in New Jersey, and you listen. By the way, this is the view from the Moment MagSafe mount that I have on my ProClip USA base. Pretty good. Also, this is pretty loud, so I'm gonna get a wind fairing.
What we do here is go back.